Alrighty, so today we're going to be Today we're going to be reinstalling the pitch stop, but not with the factory one. Got a Grimspeed one. This is the one that I have. 80 durometer bushings. There we go. Okay. Normally I'd be doing this on my camera where I have both hands free, but it's offloading video. But anyways, so here's the new one. This is what's going to be going on. Okay, so back, front. Okay, so this is gonna go somewhat like that. So I'm gonna need both hands to put this in. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to be probably not recording. I gotta go check my camera and see where it's at. Okay, so I got one bolt in, but the other side is not lining up, so I'm gonna have to get underneath the car, jack up the transmission a little bit to hopefully get it to come up just enough so I can put the mount in. So I'm gonna do that and then we'll be back. Okay, got the bolts in. Now we got to tighten them up, or torque them up is what I should say. The firewall side back here, is 42.6, I believe, so we'll just do 43. This here is 36.9, so we'll just do 37. So we'll get those torqued up and that'll be it. I did lift the transmission a little bit just to get that front bolt in here, but it was pretty easy for the most part. Anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna get that done and then we'll move on to the next thing.